Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Bosch circular saw. Before starting any project, prioritize safety. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and hearing protection. Make sure your workpiece is firmly secured to prevent any shifting during the cut. Always inspect the blade for proper installation and sharpness. Remember to keep both hands on the saw and clear of the blade path at all times for safe operation. Setting up your Bosch circular saw correctly is crucial for precise results. First, adjust the cutting depth so the blade extends approximately 1/8 of an inch below your material. This minimizes kickback and ensures a clean cut. For angled cuts, loosen the front lever to set your desired bevel angle, up to 50 degrees on many models. Always confirm the blade guard moves freely before starting. Now, let's make that cut. Place the saw's base plate flat on your material, aligning the blade with your cut line. Engage the trigger and allow the blade to reach its maximum speed before gently pushing the saw forward. Maintain a consistent, steady feed rate. Avoid forcing the saw, as this can cause kickback or damage the motor. Support the waste piece to prevent it from binding the blade. After completing your cuts, proper care ensures your Bosch circular saw remains in top condition. Always unplug the saw immediately and allow the blade to cool down before handling. Use a brush or compressed air to clear sawdust from the motor vents and blade guard. Store your saw in a dry, secure place. Regularly inspect and tighten any loose fasteners to maintain optimal performance and safety for years of reliable use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.